Integrating Postman with Azure DevOps allows teams to seamlessly manage API testing and collaborate on the test results within their development workflows. This integration enables automated API testing, reporting, and tracking directly from within Azure DevOps pipelines. Set up Postman. Create a Postman account. Visit Postman and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Create a new collection. Create a new collection in Postman to organize your API requests, tests, and environments. Create a Postman collection. Build API tests. Design and configure API requests within Postman, including adding authentication, query parameters, and defining test scripts using JavaScript. Set up environments. Define environments in Postman to manage different configurations for testing. Integrate Postman with Azure DevOps. Create a new pipeline. In Azure DevOps, go to Pipelines and create a new pipeline or use an existing one. Add Postman task. Add the Postman task to the pipeline from the marketplace. Configure the task by linking it to your Postman collection, specifying the environment, and setting up authentication. Run Postman tests in Azure DevOps. Run pipeline. Trigger the pipeline, which will execute the Postman collection to run API tests. View results. Once the tests are complete, review the results within Azure DevOps. Errors, failures, and past tests are displayed, providing detailed feedback on the API performance. Continuous integration and collaboration. Automated testing. By integrating Postman with Azure DevOps, teams can automate API testing as part of their CI/CD pipelines. Collaboration. Azure DevOps integrates Postman test results into boards, repositories, and dashboards, fostering collaborative issue tracking and reporting.